Virginia has a first and second lien. So let's say her property is worth 1 million. She has one loan for 700,000 and another loan for 100,000. Total loans 800,000. There is equity there. There is always some equity, otherwise you wouldn't get a first or second, especially you wouldn't get a second. So the question is, Sharif, if I set up with your asset protection program, we set up a Wyoming LLC. It's in Wyoming. It domiciles in Wyoming. And we have 200,000 in Virginia's home here that she wants to strip the equity. She wants to put a loan. She wants to put a lien against the property. So anybody trying to go after her, they will settle with her insurance. They will not try to go after that 200,000 equity. So yes, Virginia, we can do it even if you have 10 liens. Why? So long as there is some equity that you're trying to protect. We have the Wyoming LLC capitalized for the 200,000 that you want to record here. And how do you capitalize it? You don't have 200,000 to put in the Wyoming LLC bank account, which we give you the banks that you can set up with. We just put an IOU from you to your Wyoming LLC. I owe you 200,000 to fund you, to capitalize you. And then, as to show you my good faith, we record, the Wyoming LLC records, with your approval, you sign that, 200,000 against the property. So now you have a first lien to the bank, a second lien to another lender, whoever, and a third lien to the Wyoming LLC. So you have stripped the equity. No matter what, you can strip the equity. Extremely powerful, because anybody looking at you, you're not hiding assets. And so, you know, I mentioned it last call, the Treasury Department of the United States of America, as of January 1st, 2024, said no more anonymous corporations, no more anonymous setup. By law, you must disclose to us when you set up, who does it flow through to? We need the name. We need who that person is, their social security number, their address. And if you are not in compliance, we'll fine you $500 per day. And believe you me, you don't want to mess with the United States government. You don't want a letter saying United States of America against Udar or Harif or Danielle or Todd or Sharif or anybody. That's overwhelming, and you will pay the fine.
I have a question.
Yes.
So this is an excellent vehicle to discourage anybody that gets an attorney and says, I'm taking this guy to the cleaners. Attorney looks at it and goes, well, I can't take it on, on my gratis. Forgot the name. You know what I'm talking about. And he takes it, and you end up in court. Now the judge is going to look at it and ask various questions about, to authenticate it. What's your approach there?
To authenticate what?
It's a corporation in business.
The Wyoming LLC, we fully disclose. It is set up, there are 13 business reasons in the operating agreement. It is to consolidate family money. It is to have direction for the future of the investments. In case of demise, it goes to a living trust that will actually flow to my loved ones. It is for asset protection. See, what asset protection is one of the reasons. And we have capitalized it and placed promissory notes against these properties. This actually can't be any more legit. It is upheld in court. We did a study on entire 50 states and federal courts and local state government through attorneys' offices. We have attorneys setting up our program that we sell at $6,000. They sell it in some hours at $15,000 and $20,000. Come to us to set it up, and they make the difference. So it is extremely powerful. There's nothing to hide. Nothing to hide.
Maybe I bought it early on. I didn't see that list. Can I update to the website?
Oh yeah. Update through the website.
Right.
Absolutely.